What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Nissan vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition. And if your key has 3 buttons on it instead of 4 like this one, it will be the same procedure to change the battery. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR1620. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other things I'm going to be using are a flathead screwdriver and a small Phillips head screwdriver. So if we grab our key and we take a look at the back, we see this screw right here. So I'm going to grab my Phillips head screwdriver, and I've already got this screw loosened up, but go ahead, get your screw out of there like that. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver and we kind of look on the bottom of this part of the key off to the side, we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my flathead screwdriver in that notch and then just kind of twist the key. And as I do that, it starts the key apart a little bit. And you can take your key and just kind of carefully work your way around until you get that back cover off. Once you get that back cover off, we can see our battery right here. And I'll grab my screwdriver again. And there's this plastic holder, and there's a few different spots in here where there's a little bit of a notch in that holder that you can kind of get your screwdriver under the edge of that battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side down. The plus side goes down on the back of the case like that. Get it snapped into that holder. And then we just need to put our case back on, or the back cover of the case, I should say. That'll just snap on like that. And then we'll throw our screw back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.